Hi, I'm Kirk, and I'm delighted to welcome you to my YouTube channel, St. Lucia by Kirk, where I share the very best of my St. Lucia with you. This could be about anything at all St. Lucia related, from me being out and about on the town, from me out on a shoot, from me shooting the breeze somewhere, or even at a bar somewhere consulting the spirits. You get my drift. But whatever it is, it will always be about my St. Lucia. I aim to share a video once a week on a Thursday, round about 9 a.m. or so Eastern time. So I'd like to invite you to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you don't ever miss out, because there is so much more that I have in store to share with you. And I'd also love for you to share your thoughts with me, ask a question, tell me what next you'd love to see, anything along the lines of that. So, looking forward to you enjoying these videos and to getting your feedback. So for this first in the series of my St. Lucia by Kirk videos, I am out and about with Kelly and Nicole. Kelly is a dear friend who goes back many, many years in the tourism industry in St. Lucia. She now runs a business that she calls Travel Agents, Travel Advisors, selling the Caribbean. So she's the founder of that. And when she called me up and said, hey, Kirk, I'm going to be in St. Lucia and I would really love to have you, come hang with me and my business partner, Nicole, we're going to be down there. And I want to capture some imagery of the island. I mean, I just said to her, hey, Kelly, consider it done. So I invite you to sit back and enjoy the energy of that day out of shooting that we had. Lots of pleasant memories there. So here we are. Kelly and Nicole, this is Nicole here, Kelly in the background, just sort of doing their work, continuing to work out at the pool. More work continuing at the pool, and you just sort of wonder, okay, what work is it, right? Here the girls are just really having a good time, shot of that, capturing all of that beauty behind them. And then from there, we went down onto the beach. We're shooting some stuff out on the boardwalk at the resort they were staying at. And just the energy, just the vibes of the day. And just to share with folks, this is Calabash Cove. Really beautiful little cove tucked away, almost like you have the beach all to yourself. So here I am with Nicole, just showing us some of the pics that came back, and here you're having a view of it. This is looking towards Castries, the city, which was down in the distance, and now working with Kelly. Again, just capturing some of that magic. It was a beautiful, beautiful morning light. As you can see here, just really soft glow on their skins. And here they are just taking in what's coming back on the camera. And that very often helps to bring out even greater pictures, once your subjects can see what it is that you're shooting and how they're looking. So I always love bringing that element into my shoots, the beauty of digital. Here is some of the pictures, again, just capturing the energy, the essence of them. And of course, the video tells the whole story of that essence of these girls just frolicking and having a really, really great time. Here we are now down in the ocean, Kelly just doing her thing, and there I am shooting some stuff. And this that you're seeing is the typical idyllic St. Lucian day. Here they are just looking really dapper, and then Nicole just right there looking really suave. Giving you a little bit of a view of the view with what we were shooting, how I was doing my stuff. This lens that I'm using really brings out nice separation between the subject and the background. So here you have all of that energy that Kelly brought to the show, and of course Nicole, not to be undone, just really having a good time there, jamming to the rhythms that are bubbling in her head. But then again, that's what you can expect being out in Paradise, St. Lucia. Now here we took off, and the girls wanted to get some fresh coconut water, so I took them down to this beach vendor, which is this is along a beach that I walk most mornings when I'm free, and I will stop, have some coconut water from him. So again, just know that his stuff is really good, and of course the girls are just enjoying it. Like I say, this is just island life. You know, that's what it's like.
Did you get that?
Come on.
Yeah.
St. Lucia, the paradise that I call home. Here we are down in Anse L'Ivrogne, and Anse L'Ivrogne is the first village down once you come out of the city, traveling along the west coast and just walking through the village. Quiet, sleepy kind of village, little fishing village. They tend to thrive on tourism, especially when the cruise ships are in, then the streets are laid out. This is Robert the Bruce. I mean, Robert is such a character down in Anse L'Ivrogne. Very often shoot pictures of him. And here's Nicole just sort of frolicking through the surf. Again, I mean, this is the bay right in front of the village. Like I said, this is just a seafaring life down here. Fishing, bringing in their catch, going out to pick up the fish pot. Here's a little boat. You know, this is the sort of boat that a guy will go out and pull in his fish pots and bring it up. So, you know, here is Kelly just really having some fun. So by now, I am trusting that you're really enjoying the island vibes, you know, the takes of St. Lucia that we're sharing here, having a feel for that day that Nicole and Kelly had out and about on the town, in fact, all over the island. And just per chance, if you haven't gotten around to hitting the subscribe button and, you know, the notification bell, just take a moment out, go do that, because this is a feel for what you can expect. And in fact, there's going to be so much more beyond just this. So like I say, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you don't ever miss out on all of these goodies from St. Lucia that I've got in store for you. Cool. So now back to the show. Catch you in a bit. Now, Plas Cassave is a must-stop place once you're heading down to Soufrière. Soufrière is home of the Pitons. Here they make a really, really lovely cassava bread. I mean, they are world famous for it. And here are Kelly and Nicole just having a go at drying out the cassava. Over here, you can see that they're actually making some of those cassava bread. I think this looks like the cherry raisin variety. And God, look at the dexterity of our friend over here. You know, as she lays it out and gets it ready for the oven. Well, I'm saying oven, but it's sort of earthen, open air kind of, oh, there you see it, right? So again, fire outside under this, as you would have seen earlier, and this is just really baking them to perfection. Here we are down in Soufrière, and you know, this was just a fun shot, you know, your one-stop shop. And now we're heading over to Libre, a place that is very, very dear to me, and you will see more on Libre in videos coming up. This is right at the base of Gros Piton inside the UNESCO World Heritage Site. And we're heading over to AU Poye Park. Just really, really idyllic place. I mean, every time I get here, I feel like I'm in a totally different place, not in St. Lucia. That was Gros Piton out on the left, looking up to the summit of the mountain. And now we're coming into this you know, chill out dining area that's all done up with local flair and local style. welcome to Kelly and Nicole. And it's interesting because Charmaine, the proprietress, here she is right over on the left with that gorgeous smile. Charmaine did this up in orange and green and silver. And it was so funny because when I got over to the resort, Kelly was wearing orange and green, which she said these are her favorite colors. And I just went, wow, what serendipity. So there we are looking up to the summit of Gros Piton, second highest peak on the island. And again, now this is on the backside of Gros Piton, and there we were just winding down the day. You can almost see the sunset effect back there. So having come to the end of this, my first video, let me thank you for sticking with us till the end, for checking it out. I invite you to post any questions you have, any comments, hit the like, or hit the do not like, whatever it is. Just give me some reaction. Let me know that you're alive. Post a comment, post a question, and I go through all of the comments and questions and answer every one of them because your feedback is truly special to me. And like I said, give me a feel for what you'd love to see next, because I am taking my cue from you, you know, in sharing my St. Lucia by Kirk with you. So until the next one, here's saying, go on, enjoy the weekend, enjoy whatever else is there before you. And until next time, Kirk out. Boom.